Let me show you how we can fix always on a display issues on POCO M8 5G. So if we open the settings and scroll down into personalization, of course in here we will find always on a display. The first thing that you can do in order to try to solve any issue that you have with always on display is to simply turn off AOD and turn it back on. This simple step sometimes can be quite helpful, and sometimes it can actually solve some of the issues, so you can give it a try. Now besides that, another thing that you can do is you can go to display items, and over here we have this option, turn off when battery saver is on, which is just for display items. But of course we can turn this option off if you still want to see display items and you don't care about saving the power in this case. Keep in mind that also AOD can be displayed only for 10 seconds. You can actually fix this, or maybe not fix, but there is like a small workaround that allows you to use AOD for longer, for infinite amount of time actually. But it has some drawbacks. More precisely, of course, the battery will be draining rather quickly, and you might see some issues with optimization of the phone. But let me still show you how to do so. So if we go to About Phone, we can keep tapping on the OS version, and we need to enter the screen lock password, and by doing so we will enable developer options. So now we're gonna go back to settings, scroll all the way down and go to additional settings, and then in here we can scroll down again to go to developer options. In this place we're gonna scroll all the way down, and then we can find reset to default values, and you want to keep tapping on this option until you see turn on system optimization. So we can tap on the switcher to turn it off, and this actually allows you to keep AOD enabled for more than 10 seconds. So let me just go back to AOD settings in order to see, because I don't remember if I have AOD enabled. Yes, I do. So now if I go to AOD, if I turn it on, you will see that it will last more than 10 seconds. But like I said, it has some drawbacks, so you need to keep that in mind. You might see some bugs, especially visual bugs and glitches. So it's up to you if you actually want to use that feature. Now, another thing that you might want to do, instead of actually using this built-in always on display, what you can do is you can get a third-party app that allows you to get a custom always on a display, and it might be a better solution. And you can just go to the Play Store and you can simply search for always on a display, and you can find many different example apps over here. One of the apps that I can actually recommend you to use, or at least give it a try, is the Movies Edge, which contains AOD and Edge lights. Of course, if you don't like this app, you can just uninstall it and you can try something else. It's up to you which one you're actually gonna use. I'm not, of course, forcing you or telling you that this is the only one that works, but I just know that this one works pretty well. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.